Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Maria and I absolutely love home decor and I absolutely love making DIY home decor from Dollar Tree items or thrifting or upcycling old items that you may just have laying around in your home already. So if you're interested in that kind of thing, then please subscribe and please give this video a thumbs up. So in today's video, I will be making a mini tabletop Christmas tree out of Dollar Tree Jenga blocks, and I'll actually be making two of them, like a bigger one and a smaller one. And I absolutely love how this turned out. I think it reminds me of like a retro gaming thing, like kind of like Tetris blocks or like a really pixelated picture. So I'm really excited for how it turned out. I think it looks really cool. And this is definitely one of those crafts that are so easy to make. You can just zone out and put on a movie or put on a really fun podcast and just craft away and just get lost in it. And it's so relaxing and so fun to make. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick and easy DIY. Alright guys, so there's not a whole lot to explain here. It's super self-explanatory, so I won't be doing a whole lot of talking. But basically, I already got my Jenga blocks all spray painted and I'm just alternating the colors and I'm just creating different rows and gluing everything together. And that's pretty much it. I'm just playing around with it and trying to get it how I like it and how I like the little pattern. So as you can see, my hot glue is going to get everywhere. And this brand of glue sticks that I got really sucks. Don't ever get anything other than the Gorilla brand of glue sticks because these, like, they get way too hot and then they, like, it just gets everywhere. There's so many like strings of glue. You can fix that by using a hair dryer, which you'll see me do a little bit later in the video, but you can avoid a whole lot of headache if you just use the Gorilla glue, and it's going to be so much better. So all you really need for this is just your Jenga blocks. I used 2 packets of Jenga blocks and I made 2 trees with that. And you need some spray paint if you like the look of having them in all different colors. You can also use like wood stain if you like the wood look more. And then you'll need a glue gun and then some kind of decorations. You can just let your imagination go wild with this. You can use whatever you want, but I used some of the fake snow that you can get at the Dollar Tree, and then I also used some of the pom-poms, and I just hot glued those onto my trees. So I'm really not going to do a whole lot more talking from here on out because as you can see, it's all pretty self-explanatory and pretty easy. But I wanted to take a moment and wish you guys a very Merry Christmas or Happy Holidays or Happy Hanukkah, whatever you celebrate. I am super thankful for every single one of you that has subscribed to my channel, and I can't believe that there are 357 of you out there watching my videos, which makes me so excited. So thank you, and I hope you have a wonderful and amazing holiday. I'm super excited for the new year, and I will stop talking now and I will just let you guys enjoy this quick and super simple DIY, and I will play some really fun Christmas music to go along with it.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean, yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. And family, making angels in the sand, you ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And dance. We're gonna dance, 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 dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Oh, yeah.